As we age, the health of our joints becomes one of the most important factors in determining how freely we can move, from rising out of a chair to walking with confidence, from playing with grandchildren to simply stepping outside for a breath of fresh air.
Cartilage wears down, joints stiffen, and inflammation can make even the simplest motions feel challenging. But nature offers a powerful, delicious solution: nuts. These little nutrient powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants that can soothe inflammation, support cartilage repair, and keep your joints feeling supple well into later life. By choosing the right nuts and avoiding the wrong ones, you can take a simple yet effective step toward preserving your mobility and minimizing discomfort every day. Not all nuts are created equal when it comes to joint health. Some varieties deliver the perfect blend of nutrients your body needs to maintain strong bones, flexible cartilage, and healthy connective tissue. Others, surprisingly, can tip the balance toward inflammation or contribute to cartilage breakdown if eaten too frequently. The real secret lies in knowing which nuts to reach for when you want to protect and rebuild joint function, and which ones to leave on the supermarket shelf. Let's explore the 4 nuts you'll want to enjoy regularly, and the 4 that you're better off avoiding if you care about keeping your joints pain-free and flexible. First on the list of joint-supporting nuts are almonds. These crunchy kernels are rich in magnesium, calcium, and vitamin E, all essential for strong bones and healthy cartilage. Magnesium helps regulate calcium balance in your body, preventing unwanted calcium deposits from accumulating in joint spaces and leading to stiffness. It also promotes muscle relaxation. Easing tension around your joints and improving can be a key factor in reducing discomfort. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant found in almonds, neutralizes the free radicals that would otherwise accelerate cartilage wear and fuel inflammation. You can sprinkle sliced almonds over salads, stir them into oatmeal, or simply snack on a small handful to tap into their bone-protecting benefits. A daily serving of almonds offers a tasty, convenient way to keep your joints nourished and resilient. Next up are walnuts, famed for their high content of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s have been shown time and again to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including inside irritated joints. Chronic inflammation is a major culprit behind joint pain and cartilage deterioration, and those who include walnuts regularly in their diets often report less stiffness and swelling. Beyond omega-3s, walnuts contain polyphenols, natural antioxidants that strengthen cartilage cells and shield them from oxidative stress. Stash a small bag of raw walnuts in your pantry to snack on, add them to morning yogurt, or blend walnut oil into a homemade salad dressing. By dialing down inflammation, walnuts help your joints glide more smoothly. Brazil nuts stand out for a different reason. They're among the richest natural sources of selenium. This trace mineral plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals that damage cartilage and connective tissue. More importantly, selenium supports the synthesis of collagen, the very protein that gives cartilage its structure and resilience. Collagen production naturally slows with age, which can leave joints vulnerable. Eating 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day supplies just enough selenium to boost collagen formation without risking toxicity. Because selenium can be harmful in excess, moderation is key. Stick to a couple of Brazil nuts per day to protect your cartilage, reduce oxidative stress, and maintain flexibility. Pistachios round out our quartet of joint champions with their unique combination of heart-healthy fats, vitamin B6, and antioxidants. Vitamin B6 helps lower homocysteine, an amino acid that at elevated levels can damage blood vessels and contribute to joint degeneration. Omega-3s in pistachios quiet inflammation, while fiber supports overall health and helps you feel full between meals. Enjoy a handful of pistachios as a light snack, sprinkle them over your salad, or stir pistachio butter into a smoothie for a nutty boost. With each bite, you're delivering anti-inflammatory nutrients and supporting the circulatory health that keeps joints nourished and pain-free. Incorporating these 4 nuts into your daily routine couldn't be easier. Plan on roughly 1 ounce about a small handful, per day. Mix and match them for variety, and add chopped pieces to everything from oatmeal to stir-fries. Nut butters made from almonds or walnuts can spread on whole-grain toast, and nut oils can enrich homemade dressings. By choosing raw or dry roasted, unsalted varieties, you'll avoid added oils and extra sodium that would work against your efforts to reduce inflammation. Equally important is knowing which nuts to avoid if joint comfort is your goal. Macadamia. Nuts, for example, are delicious and packed with healthy fats, but they skew heavily toward monounsaturated, omega-9 fats, without providing substantial anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Eating them in large quantities can tip your body's fat balance in a less favorable direction. Pecans offer flavor and nutrients, yet they carry a moderate oxalate load that may bind calcium and contribute to microscopic deposits in joint spaces, potentially worsening discomfort. Chestnuts, unlike other nuts, are high in starch and low in protective omega-3s, making them less helpful for joint health. Their carb content can spike blood sugar and fuel inflammatory pathways. Finally, any nut, whether almond or pistachio, coated in sugar, salt, or hydrogenated oils, loses its natural anti-inflammatory power, so candied or heavily salted nut mixes are best left alone. By steering clear of macadamias, pecans, chestnuts, and processed nut mixes while embracing almonds, walnuts, Brazil nuts, and pistachios, you'll be leveraging the very best of nature to fight inflammation, support collagen production, and maintain healthy cartilage. Small changes, like enjoying a handful of mixed nuts as a mid-morning snack, swapping candied nuts for raw varieties, or stirring a spoonful of almond butter into your afternoon smoothie, add up over time, translating into stronger, more flexible joints. It's striking how such simple dietary shifts can translate into real-world gains. Fewer aches, better mobility, and the confidence to stay active without fear of pain. Remember, joint health is cumulative. Every anti-inflammatory ingredient you add helps rebuild and protect your cartilage. Pair your nut-powered diet with gentle strength training, leg lifts, resistance bands, or bodyweight squats to give those muscles around your joints a supportive boost. Staying hydrated, maintaining a healthy weight, and getting adequate sleep round out the lifestyle trifecta for optimal joint function. Age doesn't have to dictate your level of comfort or activity. By nourishing your body with the right nuts, you tap into powerful allies that slow cartilage breakdown and reduce inflammation from within. Next time you reach for a snack, let almonds, walnuts, Brazil nuts, and pistachios be your go-to choice. Your joints will thank you with every step. Bend and reach for many years to come.